In today's video, I will teach you how to make a bubble text effect using Photoshop. Let's get started. First, open the canvas where you would like to put your bubble text effect on. Now, type in the text that you would like to edit. Then, resize the text by hitting Ctrl-T to transform and hold down the Alt key to resize evenly. Once you're satisfied, you can now right-click on the text layer and select Blending Options. Now, enable Bevel and Emboss. Under the Structure settings, set the style to Pillow Emboss, Technique to Smooth, Depth to 100%, Direction up, Size to 40, and Soften to 0. Now, under the Shading settings, set the angle to 90, disable Use Global Light, Glass Contour to Ring Double, Highlight Mode to Color Dodge, Opacity to 75%, Shadow Mode to Multiply, and Opacity to 0. Now, enable Drop Shadow. Under the Structure settings, set the Blend Mode to Multiply, Opacity to 30, Angle to 115, disable Use Global Light, set Distance to 20, Spread to 0, and Size to 45. Under the Quality settings, set the Contour to Soft at 1, and Noise to 0. Now, click OK, and with the text layer still selected, set the Fill to 0, and you're done. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. And if you want to see more tutorials, turn on the notification bell so that you can be updated whenever we upload new tutorials.